I'm Daryl Van Nieuwenhuis. I'm the CEO of Cyclops Adventure Sports. We're out here today racing our KTM adventure bikes, 950s, 990's in the 24 hours of Starvation Ridge. We're looking forward to a great race. We've set up our bikes the best they possibly could be. The suspension is absolutely world class, thanks to Alex from Conflict here.
I'm Alex from Conflict Motorsports and Suspension. Kind of followed Daryl out on this crazy adventure and really looking forward to seeing what these big bikes could do out here. I've been riding for 26 years and this is my first 24-hour.
We've got the best lights that we could possibly have for such an event that is basically a night race with more hours of darkness than light. And we're looking forward to a great time.
So I just toned it down a bit and I hit something and I almost went over the handlebar. I overheard quite a few doubters of people walking by saying that there's no way that we're going to finish, even as far as to that we're not even going to be able to complete a lap. So, which is going to be pretty interesting to see the change of atmosphere, so to speak, when we get done with this. I think some guys are going to be pretty surprised, and I'm sure there's going to be a few guys that are going to come by and say that we heard them pretty good with the roost coming off the back of our wheels. That's for sure.
Once I got into the big KTM, I just found freedom that I can ride pretty much anything I ever rode on my 525, and I can just leave from the house with no plan, no real destination, and go out for a weekend with a saddlebag or whatever and just have a blast.
That dirt is so moist now.
Yeah. And real now.
Unreal. is almost over. We carried the lead from about 9:30 last night till about 5:45 this morning. The second place team passed us, picked up 11 minutes. On the last lap it was out, they had their fastest guy on their team out on the track. We picked up 5 minutes on him. We have our fastest guy on the course right now. Hopefully he'll be able to pick up those remaining 6 minutes. And we have Daryl Van Nieuwenhuis getting on the bike after our next rider comes in. So we're definitely giving it a go for first place.
Excellent time. Bikes are doing fantastically well. I think we're 5 minutes out of the lead right now after holding the lead pretty much all night long. It's been a great experience, and can't thank our help enough. Everybody's just been fantastic, and we're just having a blast.